Namaste, I am Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making an interesting vegan key lime pie recipe which doesn't require any baking, it's gluten free as well as sugar free. So let's go ahead and see the ingredients we would need to prepare this vegan key lime pie. These are the list of ingredients we would need. I have also listed them in the description section. So let's start by creating the base of the pie. Take around 30 pieces of vegan crackers, I'm using unsalted ones, add them to the blender. We need to blend this into a fine mix and that's why I'm going to do this into two different batches. Do this until you see all the pieces are broken down completely. Now I'm going to add the rest of the crackers. Once done, take it out into a fresh bowl. Now I'm going to blend around 100 grams of almonds and we are going to repeat the same process of blending the almonds till they are refined. Make sure that you blend them with small pulses because if you blend them continuously, it might turn into almond butter. We have got the fine mix of almonds. Now it's time to add some walnuts to this. I'm using around 50 grams of walnuts and the reason I have not blended them together is because walnuts are pretty much easier to blend compared to almonds. After that, add the powdered form of crackers to the blender which we made in the beginning. Along with that, add 10 to 12 seedless dates. Blend it till everything gets mixed together completely. Add the mixture to a bowl. Now I'm going to add around 3 tablespoons of coconut oil in steps. So first add like 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix everything together. You can do this step in the blender as well, but I prefer to do it by hand. After adding around 2 tablespoons, just mix everything and check the consistency, whether the mixture is sticking together. In my case, it's almost there, so I'm adding the 3rd tablespoon and mixing it again. At this point, the mixture is sticking together and is ready. Take the bowl you want to prepare the pie in and add 1 tablespoon of oil and brush it across the pan. You can choose any oil of your choice. Add the mixture to the bowl and make sure that you choose the bowl carefully so it's easy to take out the pie later. Spread the mixture across evenly and start to press it down while doing it. As this will be the base of the pie, we need to make sure that it is firm and everything stays together, so it needs to be pressed properly. Now place it in freezer for 1 hour or till you prepare the vegan cream. So let's start with the preparation of our vegan cream layer. I have taken around 200 to 250 grams of soaked cashews. I have soaked them for about 4 hours. If you do not have time for 4 hours, you can at least minimum soak it for 20 minutes in hot water. Next, we need to take the juice of 3 key limes. Then I have taken around 50 ml of agave syrup, 200 ml of coconut milk. You can also use coconut cream instead. Adding the coconut milk, followed by key lime juice. Adding the agave syrup, followed by around 6 tablespoons of vegan cream cheese and around half tablespoon of vanilla extract. And finally 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Give it a slight mix before blending. This will ease out the blending process. Now we are going to blend it to make it into a very fine paste. Blend till you reach a very fine consistency. I'm going to blend it for some more time. Now finally it has reached the right consistency. It looks very creamy. So go ahead and do a taste test, and if you feel something is missing, go ahead and increase the quantity of that ingredient. I've taken out the bowl from the freezer. Now add the vegan cream on top of it. And going back to the taste test, if you feel that you want it to be more tangy, you can increase the quantity of lime juice. Spread it as evenly as possible. Once done, place it in freezer for 4 to 5 hours. So after 4 hours, I took out the bowl and see the result. It's ready. Let it rest for about 10 minutes at room temperature before slicing it. It will be easier to slice it after 10 to 15 minutes. So it's winter here in Uruguay, and even after 10 minutes, as you can see, it is still a little hard to cut. Before taking out the pie, I'm going to add the key lime zest on top of it. I'm using the same lime for the zest which I used for the juice. And meanwhile, the pie is also looking soft, so it's right time to take it out. Look at that. Doesn't this look amazing? So there are a lot of ways I like to eat this pie. Sometimes I eat it very cold, so it almost tastes like an ice cream. But when I let it sit on room temperature, it's so creamy and it just melts in your mouth. So guys, the vegan key lime pie is ready. It's a no-bake recipe, it's sugar-free and gluten-free and tastes amazing. Even some of my non-vegan friends tasted it and couldn't tell it that it was a vegan dessert. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give it a thumbs up and let me know your feedback in the comment section. Also, do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. I'll see you soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.